This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can use and adjust the camera zoom on this drone. So first you will obviously need to enter the fly interface. Once you're here, left of the shutter button you'll see the icon adjustment for the zoom, which by tapping on it you can switch it between 1x, 2x or 3x zoom. By touch and holding at this icon you can open this adjustment slider and change your zoom more precisely, as you can see. You can also manage the camera zoom by using the remote controller's dials, the right one in particular. So as you can see, I'm scrolling it like that, and the zoom is following my actions. So tilt, or rather scroll it to the left to zoom out, scroll it to the right to zoom in, and that's in general how you can, or how you use focus on this DJI Mini 5 Pro. Should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.